Hi guys, welcome back to Gopi's Art Gallery, and today we are going to paint this beautiful watercolor piece I named the Galaxy Cats. And I'm so sorry guys that I have not been able to upload regularly. In fact, the long hiatus was extremely shameful of me. I promise that I'll start to regular uploading soon. So please bear with me and watch this tutorial. So today I'll be using this small watercolor cakes and Camel's Artist Watercolor in the variant Pines Grey, and I'll be using Brushto's Dagger brush in 10. Here, as you can see, I have already drawn the sketch out in another Brushto's watercolor paper, and today's book recommendation is Holy Child Student Watercolor Part 2 by Anindya Mukherjee. This book is really helpful to me as I was learning about how to do the wash technique of watercolor because I suck at it kinda. So yeah, it was really helpful for me, and I would recommend you should definitely check that out. If you're in India, basically in Kolkata, you can find it at the College Street or any bookshop. You can just have to tell the publication's name, which is Holy Child, and the book's name is Student Watercolor Part 2 by Anindya Mukherjee. And here you can see I am fine lining my sketch with another brush tools fine liner. I believe in the variant 0.05, and I have did the cats with 0.2. To be honest, as you guys have seen me, I really love to do paintings with really bright and vibrant colors. Doesn't matter if it's acrylic or a watercolor or color pencil. I just love colorful stuff, like it just brings me so much joy to play with colorful watercolors, especially. But today I thought, why not some monochromatic color palette I should like definitely discover, because an artist have to learn in every sort of ways. So today I'll be using mainly the Pines Gray. I'm extremely sorry for the background noises as I am just right beside a main road and the cars don't stop honking. I mean, what can I do? So I'll be using Pines Gray, lots of Prussian blues, and lots of uh, greens like Viridian green and sap green. I'll be using some emeralds green, maybe, I don't know. And I'll definitely use some yellows because I cannot draw without yellow. Like, if I'm doing a watercolor piece, there has to be yellow somewhere because yellow is such a happy color. Like, if you just stare at yellow, it does bring you joy, right? Like, to me, it definitely does. So I tried not to be so much gloomy or not to be so much vibrant. I am kind of in between, and I'm obviously learning new techniques of the wash. I'm searching new YouTube tutorials, and I'm searching in the books about it, like wet on wet, wet on dry, and different kind of watercolor techniques. So you'll see me that I'm struggling here a little bit with the wet on wet technique because I am still not very fluent at it. I'm still learning, I'm still practicing, and yeah, I think I'll get better over time. So here I am just using Pines Gray everywhere that I think will be dark, and I'll be using Prussian blue and cerulean blue to the parts. Now it's time for my favorite, a little bit of green and a little bit of yellow time. I definitely skipped that because that was just a base layer. We know how to do a base layer, so I just skipped that part. And here I am just doing a light wash with the sap green in the trees, and then I'll do the same with the leaves. So here I'm doing the trees values with a little bit of Prussian blue and Viridian green. So you guys can see the light and the darkness between the leaves. For the trees, I of course had to pick a little bit of brown sienna because yeah, it's wood, like it's not all green. So here we are adding a little bit of brown sienna, and I think I took a little bit of yellow ochre as well because trees are not all dark. It has like light brown, dark brown, woodish color. We already on to that. So, and for the note of it, I want you guys to tell me what kind of tutorial I should make the next. And after going with all the details for here and there, at least our masterpiece, I wouldn't call it masterpiece, I'm really, really sorry. Our painting has come to an end, and here is a snippet of closer look. I hope you'll see my brush strokes and how I mixed the colors together and kind of gave it a little bit of dreamy, a surreal, more like detached from reality, more like a dreamy state effect. Of course, I'm new to this washes, so I hope you guys will forgive me and give me room to grow more. So that's for today. I'll see you soon. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell and give this video a little thumbs up for the future, because I really have so much to share with you guys in this journey, and I hope we all will get along together. So till then, bye bye, see you next time, have a really great time.